Undefined metric warning. No positive samples in y_true. True positive value should be meaningless. Undefined metric warning. I got this warning. Undefined metric warning. No positive samples in y_true. True positive value should be meaningless. Undefined metric warning. Do you have any idea what it means?
This means that all the values in y_true are zeros, which means there is no positive class records in the given dataset. Try the following to understand the distribution of classes in your dataset.
For me, I got this error when I erroneously passed a pos_label param. The docs say the y_true param should be binary labels. If labels are not either -1, 1, or 0, 1, then pos_label should be explicitly given. However, my scores happened to be all 0 and one omitting the pos_label parameter solved it for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.